Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show how to uninstall BlueStacks from your PC or laptop. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, the first thing you need to do is press Ctrl-Alt-Delete on your keyboard, and then that will bring up your task manager. And from here, type in BlueStacks, and then go ahead and right click, and you want to end tasks, so do that to all three, like so. Alright, as you can see, there's no BlueStacks running in Task Manager. Now get out of that, and now you want to head over to search and type in add or remove programs. Wait for this to load, and now sort by date installed, or you can simply search apps. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the three dots and click on uninstall. This app and its related info will be uninstalled. Click on uninstall, click on yes, click on uninstall, click on uninstall. Give this a few moments to uninstall the app. Now click on completed, and now do that for the next two. Uninstall, now do it for the third one. Uninstall, click on yes, click on delete BlueStacks X user data, click on uninstall. Alright, now click on close. Now it's been uninstalled. Now once you've done that, go to search and type in run, open run, and now you want to type in the following: %program data %, like so. Now click on OK. Oh, wrong one, not data, sorry. Click on OK, and there might be a BlueStacks folder in here. If there is, go ahead and delete it. Mine has been deleted. And that's how to uninstall BlueStacks from your PC or laptop. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful.